I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Ritesh Agarwal. He is the founder and CEO of Oyo Hotel and Homes. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you so much for having me with you.
Tell me about the Oyo model.
So Oyo has a fairly straightforward model. Worldwide, there are millions of rooms which are in hotels which are smaller than 150 rooms, have low infrastructure and technology, don't have revenue management, and there's a bunch of other opportunities to make sure that by bringing technology, better operations, yield management, and marketing, you can give an increase in occupancy as well as ensure that these hotels can be operated better. On the other hand, consumers get better products for lower prices. Who doesn't like it? So Oyo has a fairly straightforward model, partner with individuals, hotels across the world and make sure that consumers get better quality services at lower prices at the push of a button.
Okay, so you founded this company when you were 19 years old. So at 19, you are already thinking about this. What was your inspiration?
Sure, so I think the opportunity, like I mentioned earlier, along with a problem statement, inspired me to start the company at 19. Beyond that, I have seen over the last 6 years that not only has it supported or helped the customers in the early days, but today there are millions of customers across the world. Last year we served over 180 million users across the world who got the services of Oyo, delivering good quality, comfortable services. So my perspective is, back when we started, we felt that we could create this impact by running a large operation, and I think in the last 6 years, we feel reasonably good about where we've gotten to.
Oyo is a part of the SoftBank Vision Fund portfolio. How has that partnership benefited you?
Sure, SoftBank Vision Fund is one of the leading investors across the world. Oyo has a very strong list of shareholders like Sequoia Capital, Lightspeed, SoftBank Vision Fund, Green Oaks Capital, and various other investors. We are very thankful to each one of them. And we believe that the support and the learning we get from our shareholders is very valuable to building a company of our scale and stature as we continue to build towards our longer-term aspiration of building accretive growth.
You launched last year in the United States for the first time. I believe it was in Dallas. Can you tell me more about that? What are the locations you're in and where you're hoping to be in the US?
Sure, Oyo United States has had a fantastic year so far. We're not even a year old in the US, so you're still quite young. We started in Dallas, Texas. Just within Texas, we manage over 70 hotels now. Across the United States, we manage over 300. We've served over 1 million customers in the United States alone. And we are looking forward to continuing to bring the Oyo services in every city across the country.
Is there one location that you haven't targeted yet or reached yet, but you're hoping to?
Well, I think there are a bunch of locations like that, but we own a large vacation homes business in Europe as well. As a part of that business, I believe that we have a sizable business in Nordics, but our hope is to try and make sure that we expand on that.
Wonderful. Ritesh, thank you so much for joining me and the best of luck to you.
Thank you so much.